I see the mint. There's the mint.
There's the mint, everyone.
That'll be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3.
Goodbye, mint.
It's a long
It's a long mint.
Oh, God.
And it's
Let's see the grass getting sparked.
Poor grass. I don't like that post.
Fire.
What's that post for?
Them little Catherine wheel.
Catherine Wells. Can you actually get a post for Catherine Wells?
No, that was our old fence.
Really? What did you stick to it?
A Catherine wheel. Look, here's the other one.
Oh, aren't you funny, Becky? Oh, look at it go. Oh, you can't really see. Oh, that one's a good one.
Bit violent.
Zoom in at the Catherine wheel. Oh, isn't it pretty, everybody? Oh, this is beautiful.
Becky,
On this beautiful night, Becky.
Becky, am I allowed one of those marshmallows?
As you see, we have marshmallows.
Yeah. Well,
That one lasted quite a while.
did have marshmallows.
This is now a sapphire torch.
They actually have names. I think that's really quite cool.
No more. Very fast.
Because I'm special.
Never eats.
I do it. I eat like every day.
Sorry.
What?
Why are you not moving? You're like,
I eat that every day, you know. That's embarrassing.
Sapphire.
oh, it's blue.
Oh,
Blue.
That's not sapphire.
that is blue.
Are you sure that's meant to do that?
No, I think it's on fire. It's on fire! It is actually on fire.
It is.
Someone else has got fireworks up there.
I know.
It's actually on fire! Oh no, it's finished now. It's okay. We just set fire to the garden.
That's Sean helping himself to his 23rd hot dog.
Wrestling claret.
What? A wrestling carrot? A wrestling carrot? What's that?
There's going to be a jade torch. It's all well in there. It's not light. Oh,
It should be the colour of what? West Ham, they wear claret, don't they?
Oh, I think it's a carrot.
Claret.
Whatever that is.
That doesn't look very safe.
It's the rabbits. Oh God, I forgot about those rabbits. I think they're frightened a bit.
Oh, poor thing. They look like on fire.
Claret.
White claret.
What is carrot? I don't know. Surely it should be orange because it sounds like carrot. Whoa!
That's it. Got to put them in the fish and no one goes.
I thought they were chocolate fondue.
Yeah.
Okay, that really wasn't that funny. Can I go get in that go-go car?
Yeah, on video game.
Because you can't see it. Yeah,
You
come
just
on.
had the video.
Did Yeah!
Have a break.
But how do
yeah?
you get the light on?
You might want to take the marshmallows with you. Okay.
Ah.
Oh, too late. You must see. You can't see in the car. Oh, it's all dirty as well.
Oh, it's all wet. I'm not getting in that.
Oh, it's soaked.
You just shot the fish. Ow!
I just went back. I got my finger caught in there.
Oh,
In
dear.
there, look, Claire.
Yeah.
And it went back in it.
Oh.
Oh, I think it's dislocated. Oh, gee. Not working.
I'm pretty sure it is.
One more Roman candle and then we'll do the sparklers, yeah?
That was good.
Oh.
Can I get in and get them?
that wasn't very good.
Claire, don't do that around your